Hello and welcome to another edition of Beer Reviews. Going to do another beer review for you, and we're going to do another Overtone, and it's this one here. And this is Overtone's triple dry hopped triple IPA, and this one's called Explosions in the Cry. Say the tape on this one. I say it's 10%. 10%? Yeah, definitely 10%. Yeah, 10%. Hops are Citra, Eldorado and Motueka. And that's pretty much it. It was canned on the 4th of August 23 and is best before the 4th of Feb 24. It says that on the bottom there. A little look at that for can art. It is basically, it looks like, in fact I'll get closer to it, it looks like an explosion. It looks beautiful. Kind of imagine it that it kind of looks like sort of like you split an atom or something. It's, I don't know how to lead in that way. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So let's pop it up on this one and see what we get. So pours a hazy orange. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, so, wow. Beer in a glass, what have we got? So at the top, work our way down, we've got ourselves two and a half fingers of tanned, 2.5 fingers of Desi Compact. That is a, yeah, that's a white head. I thought it looked a bit ivory when I was looking at the camera, but it's not. It's Desi Compact white head. The beer itself, a deep orange colour. Does look really good. Let's put the old torcheroo through, see what we can get. Voilà. Beautiful. Nope, that won't work. Looks great. Anyway, let's get the nose and see what we can smell. Whoa, wow. Big time citrus. Tropical. Lemons, limes, bit of tropical fruit in there. Again, bit of pine in there as well, I'm picking up. Bit of resin. Oh, smells great. Ooh, let's go to the body and carbonation. Cheers. Oh, what? Again, wow. Next level drinking this one. Okie dokes. Let's get stuck into this. So, body is medium to heavy. Carbonation is light. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Let's go for the big old taste. Cheers. Wow, that is fantastic. Again, another beautiful, well put together, exceptional beer. Oh, what? It's an assault on your palate. It's brilliant. Citrusy, zesty, very pithy. Lemons, limes, grapefruit. There's probably a little hint of pineapple in there, but the heavy citrus fruit, pith and peel. Back end is dry, resiny, piney dryness. It is absolutely beautiful. I haven't had a triple IPA with a body like this for a long time. This got oats in it. Yeah, it has. So you kind of get that. Gives it that. They also give it that extra feel. So you do get a little hint of a creaminess. that is a whopper of a beer. It's stunningly good. I've got about half a can left. I'm going to enjoy that off camera. I'm going to wrap this review up nice and quick. And this is Overtone's triple dry hopped triple IPA, Explosions in the Cry. It's 10% and it is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. It's elite. Again, another elite drinking, next level drinking, Rolls Royce drinking, if you will. Fabulous. Ah, fabulous. So good. I like this a lot, as you can tell. Yeah. Could be the best triple IPA I've had this year. Anyway, so let's wrap this review up. So as I say, this is the Overtones triple dry hop triple IPA. Explosions in the Cry. Do I like it? Yes. Would I buy it again? Without a shadow of a doubt. Would I recommend it to friends? Yes. I've still got this juicy, citrusy, almost marmalade-y feel, excuse me, in my mouth. That's lingering around. Fabulous. Would I recommend it to friends? Yes, I would. If you've had this beer, let me know what you think. Please put a little comment in the comments box below. I will put a link to the Overtone website in the description box. Do that if you like the video. Do that if you don't like the video. Subscribe down there. And I will see you on the next one. Stay late, stay safe. Hail Yale.